What's up guys? Thanks for checking in here at UTV Source. Today, we're going to be taking a quick look at Trinity Racing's new oil-free performance air filters. One of the most important things you can do for your vehicle is to upgrade the factory air filter. Trinity Racing offers OE replacement, washable, and reusable air filters for today's most popular UTV models that eliminate engine-damaging dust and dirt while improving performance. Trinity Racing's new oil-free performance air filters are designed for the most grueling conditions your side-by-side will encounter. Engineered with advanced military-grade media technology designed for severe duty use, the tough synthetic fiber stops and holds dust to 0.3 microns. Factory paper filters offer fractional efficiency of approximately 30% on fine dust. But these Trinity Racing air filters improve efficiency by almost 3 times over stock, keeping your engine breathing clean air through dirt, dust, silt, and more. Not only do these Trinity Racing air filters offer unmatched engine protection with their long life, oil-free, high-performance design, but they're incredibly easy to maintain as well. The specially designed filter media allows you to remove dust using compressed air from inside out or by vacuuming the exterior. Their washable design allows for a deep clean with mild soap and water. In a matter of minutes, your Trinity Racing performance is fully restored, protecting your UTV's engine and saving you money. So there it is, a quick look at Trinity Racing's oil-free performance air filters. Be sure to keep these products in mind when it comes to maintenance on your ride, and don't hesitate to reach out to our customer service team with any questions. Once again, I'm Jeremy. Thank you guys for checking in, and remember, life's a ride, make it your own at utvsource.com.